Welcome to the Nomad Love and Community Podcast, episode 42. I'm Sophia Chen with James Mitchell. Today we're tackling repair rituals, how to turn awkward moments into deeper nomad bonds so you can build stronger relationships and community while living the nomad life. Picture this. You missed the group chat that organized a rooftop meetup. You bump into someone the next day, and the whole interaction feels a bit cold. That sting of awkwardness can snowball into loneliness if you don't handle it. We'll give you 3 tiny rituals, a habit, an appearance cue, and a communication script you can start using in the next week to convert friction into connection.
Quick intro. I'm James. I love talking about how small actions build momentum. Presence beats perfection, right? Here's the real scenario I ran into last month. I missed the time on a hotel bar meetup message, showed up late, and someone said, "Oh, you weren't there." There was this weird pause, and the conversation got clipped. Instead of pretending it didn't happen, there are simple ways to repair that gap so people feel respected and the vibe resets.
When we say repair, we don't mean manipulation. Repair means acknowledging friction quickly, lowering defensiveness, and inviting a real exchange so trust can continue. For nomads, tiny frictions add up. Missed texts, dropped plans, micro slights, and the best fix is a tiny, repeatable ritual you can use anywhere. Today's promise, 3 rituals you can practice this week, each under 2 minutes. Strategy 1, the 60-second nightly repair check. At the end of your day, take 1 minute to scan messages, quick notes, and social threads for things you didn't reply to or people you brushed off. Stack it onto a habit you already have, right after brushing your teeth, before lock screen time, or with your last cup of tea. When you find something, do one small, sincere action. Send a short acknowledgement, suggest a new time, or say you'll follow up tomorrow. Example, "Hey, sorry I missed the meetup earlier. I'd love to catch up. Are you free for coffee tomorrow?" That 20-second message prevents awkwardness from hardening into distance.
For guys, a quick framing that works. Lead with ownership and a low-key plan. Something like, "My bad, missed the time. Want to grab a drink later this week?" Short, clear, no drama. I'll add one tip. Create a repair quick reply template on your phone so you don't overthink it at 2 a.m. Build the habit, and over time, people start to trust your reliability. Build the habit, become the man.
Strategy 2. The 90-second appearance and energy cue. When you approach someone after a misconnection, your posture and grooming choices can lower defensive vibes fast. The ritual is simple. In 90 seconds, fix a quick grooming cue. Smooth a shirt, brush your hair, wipe your face, drop your shoulders, soften your gaze, and offer a small, disarming smile. These micro moves read as humility, not performative charm.
For women, an energy cue that works is an easy, open posture and a lowering of intensity, a relaxed shoulder, palms briefly visible as you speak, and a warm opener like, "Hey, I'm so sorry I missed you yesterday." That shows you notice the slip without being defensive. Remember, small daily habits create magnetic presence. These grooming and posture resets take under 2 minutes and signal approachability and accountability. Strategy 3. The 3-line repair script. Acknowledge, validate, invite. Keep the language simple and the tone small and sincere. Script 1. Acknowledge. "Hey, I missed the meetup earlier. That was on me." Script 2. Validate. "I get if that sucked. I would have felt brushed off too." Script 3. Invite. "Can I make it up with coffee tomorrow? I'd love to hear more about your project." The order matters. Don't jump to jokes or excuses before acknowledging the lapse.
Do's and don'ts. Do keep it short, calm, and sincere. Do use the person's name if it feels natural. Don't over-apologize or pile on explanations. That comes off as defensive. Don't use manipulative flattery. Tone matters more than perfect words. Presence beats perfection. When you use the script, aim for a softer volume and slightly slower tempo than your usual chat to indicate seriousness and warmth.
Okay, quick role play. I'll be the person who is missed. James, you do the repair using the 3-line script and the grooming cue. Keep it tight. 30 seconds.
Hey, Sophia. I'm really sorry I missed the meetup last night. That was on me. I can imagine that felt frustrating. I'd feel the same. Can I make it up to you with coffee tomorrow morning? I'd love to hear more about your latest project.
That landed well. I'd feel seen and likely say yes. Notice how the grooming cue and calm delivery kept the interaction from getting clipped. Real repair feels short, clear, and human.
1 week action step, the 7-day micro challenge. Day 1, add the 60-second repair check to your nightly routine. Days 2 to 4, practice the 90-second grooming and posture reset before approaching someone you've had a small friction with. Days 5 to 7, practice each of the 3 scripts once a day. Even role play them in the mirror if you have to. By the end of the week, you'll have muscle memory for quick, authentic repair.
Recap. Nightly 60-second repair check. 90-second appearance and energy cue. The 3-line repair script. Acknowledge, validate, invite. If you want templates, role-play tracks, and community practice sessions to make this stick, check out the Nomad Connection course. We built guided modules and downloadable message templates specifically for these rituals. Let's optimize you from the inside out.
If you sign up, we'll give you quick templates you can drop into your phone, plus short video demos for the grooming cue and scripted role plays. Small moves, big results. Presence beats perfection. Start small and watch trust rebuild.
That's our practical advice for today. Building strong connections is part of building a successful nomad life. Optimize yourself. Connect deeper. Live freer.